Live from New York City, all Lumens starring Dave Wallace.
Welcome to this edition of All Lumens with Dave Wallace. I'm your host, Dave Wallace. So please welcome from Dado Lighting, DJ Ziobro.
Hey, DJ, great. Good to see you. Good to see you. Hello, everybody. How y'all doing?
All right, DJ, let's get right into it. What's new with Dado?
Well, you know we do fixtures the thickness of drywall. Okay. Well, we've also been doing a lot of printed graphics because people want to put room numbers and other things on it, including ADA signage.
What is that?
This is the Fineline 58, 5/8 of an inch wide. Now imagine trying to jam your fingers in if it's a tape light. Kind of tough.
Absolutely.
Yes. So instead of that, we put the LEDs on rigid boards, little magnets inside of here, and that way it just gets sucked right in. You put your lens, it can be a flush lens, it can be the drop lens like I have here, with or without flange, and I have this other lens. It bends.
Is that
up,
flexible?
down, left, right. So we will roll the housings to any radius desired, up, down, left, or right. This lens, while it looks like silicone, it's actually flexible acrylic. That means it won't yellow over time. Ships in a 100-foot roll. So you can do long patterns without having all those butt joints in the curve.
Sure can.
Okay.
A big thank you to DJ for stopping by. For more information regarding Fineline 58 or any other Dado products, reach out to Aura. And that's our show.